Assalamu alaikum guys, it's Sohan Mustafa, 31st of August, last day of August, and we will move tomorrow for September or September or October, whatever it is. So from last update on Bitcoin, I will start from there again. So this was on weekly, and what we discussed in last update was that this is our key level and a daily demand here. So price slowly came down here, reacted a good, then again selling pressure, one, two, three, almost three lower highs in the way. This one, the lower high, so it's creating a lower high in the process. Now I will not explain what does this box mean, why I mark this curve, this key level and all that shit. If you wanna see why I mark those, so you can go to and watch my previous update on Bitcoin. That was a higher time frame Bitcoin. So now what is going on Bitcoin? So back to my chart, trading chart. This is my trading chart. Why I mark these shits and the what is next to be happened here. We will see and we will analyze that shit here. So technically, we are at key level. This was a demand here. So right now, if daily closes below here, then we will be like, okay, this demand is lost. So unless this is holding here, it is a demand. And but the problem here is it creates supplies. This one on lower time frame, I will switch. This one, big one, fair value gaps in it. So these are the big supplies here because these are lower lows and lower highs. Price was making higher high, higher low, higher high, then it switched to lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So it is making lower low now. Then it will bounce back towards lower high and then go towards lower high unless higher time frame BUS is this one. So we flipped here, then we are bullish again on Bitcoin again, and we will target these highs unless if it is making lower lows, lower highs. So I will remove demand, remove supply for now. So clean structure I want. What are my lower levels here? So this is support, daily support here, and here it is the 0.71 level as well, and we have our NPUC as well here in this zone. So this is a critical zone here at support level here. In case we are making lower lows, so the next lower low will be here in this zone. I am expecting it to come towards this support here on daily. Other than that, on weekly, if I see any support, yes, weekly is here, but I am not expecting it anytime soon. So I will not focus on that one. I will focus here and I will see whether this is weekly one and this is daily. So below that daily support, we have a big chunk, a big daily, what we call it, fair value gap here as well for ICT students especially. And what is the important shit I should mark here? Other than that, I don't think so. This is a totally a good support zone. This whole zone is a good zone here on Bitcoin. Above what we have, I don't see anything other than a liquidity buildup, which will be hunted sooner or later. This is a curve is building up here. This one, something like this is building up here, so that squeeze will be there. So at the start of month or at the end of month, we will see that squeeze. So I will be prepared for that squeeze here in this zone. Lower time frame liquidity was there. It was created. It was taken out. So what is going on up here? So best thing which I am thinking right now is if we get a small deviation in this zone, price came down, capped here, and then get deviated back into the range above this support, and then we continue towards upside. But on lower time frame, now switch to lower time frame, there are possibilities that this is higher time frame and lower time frame same BOS here. You see there is nothing in it because it's a weekend and making L-shaped structures, bear flags all the way down. So key level on lower time frame is this one. Today I woke up and I see many people long there. So when I saw those candles here, I was like, why the fuck these people are longing here? I don't get it. Because there is nothing in it, no volume in it. If you see the volume, nothing in it, not a good volume here. So why people are longing? They will be wrecked. So reaction is going on. So this is key level. This is key level, and don't forget we in higher time frame like daily demand. So that is my the scenario which I looking for here is higher time frame scenario. I'm looking for it. Okay. For lower time frame, if we flip this zone here, now flip it, now it will be good because this is our previous high here, so it will be flipped here. In case we flipped here, sorry, ZZ. Let's suppose if we go flipped here, then it is a long. We will long here, and I see some liquidity, internal liquidity here. So a quick scalp can be taken toward this internal liquidity and BOS level. That will be only a scalp long, which I will be looking for. Other than that, nothing on it, no chart. If you ask me for like what short, no, I am not shorting it here because it's in demand. And technically in demand, you don't short, else you will be get wrecked because it's in demand. Anytime volume can be seen. On higher time frame to lower time frame, mark this little order block. Right now, no one is marking it, so mark it here. In future, for future reference, it will be if prices came down lower, that demand will react really good. That will be a good long zone opportunity here if it came. So first reaction I will see here. If I see good reaction here, I will long. Other than that, if no reaction, then I will be, might be I put some bids here in this fair value gap and stop below here. Stinky bids. Right now, no bids, but if price came down towards this zone, I will be surely put some stinky bids here. Above, what will be our target? For now, we don't have any above target. So first, we wait for structure to confirm its direction. Like BU give us a BOS here, then that lower low formation will be ended here, then higher high. So sorry, then we will have a good higher high structure. So that will be easy to take longs and take position on it. We will target if we create one higher high, then on higher lows, simply we target that higher high and new higher high. Simple as that on Bitcoin. Nothing much on Bitcoin right now. Where is Ethereum? Ethereum is holding much, pretty much good. then Bitcoin. So yes, this was H4. This is H4 I shared somewhere. Somewhere I shared and I bought some Ethereum here in this zone already. Spot in daily demand, and then H4, if you see that this is H4, we got first reaction, then again. So it is spot is up like something like 3-4% good. This is internal liquidity pending up here, so I am targeting this. If I get this here, then that will be good one. So other than that, if we lose this demand higher time frame, if I switch to higher time frame on an Ethereum, this will be a good zone to reload. 37.20 to 35.40. If it's given here, if we are lucky to get here, that will be a good reload zone. Don't miss it out. For now, we are not going there because this level is important. Level 40.98. This should hold. Anyway, overall structure looking good on Ethereum. Right now, it is much better than Bitcoin. Much better than Bitcoin. And on lower time frame, if you see that this is no better this one. A good breakout is here, and we might tap that internal liquidity. We might tap that internal liquidity, and for that reason, in demand, we already have sweep good reaction here. Mm, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high defended very good. Again, lower low. So this whole zone is a lower high zone. If prices came up here in this zone, get out from the fucking longs. This will be a brutal short position here. Untapped left FEG here. A sweep. This was the ETH. We swept that ETH and then boom, straight down. So now liquidity generated again here. They pull quick squeeze up to 4800 and then down. So might be the best case scenario here. Okay, look at this. Just at internal liquidity, we have our OTE level. So there are chances that they get out that liquidity and then bang down straight. So that will be like cautious here. But until unless it is holding that as for demand, we are good on Ethereum and it is acting really good against Bitcoin right now. So I'm not worried about Ethereum. Okay, gold. People trade gold. So like I did in last video that gold is bullish on low time frame, so it started to move. This is a weak high. It should be taken out. On Monday, good scalp can be taken on it. Let me find something good. If I see anything on lower time frame, that will be okay. That will be good. If let's suppose we are coming down here. This is POI here. Let's suppose this is your POI, and POI middle right. Okay, this is your POI here. Long POI. Don't short yet. And we have good gap here as well. So come here, tap here, and just give us something like BOS, tap, and then go up. So that will be a good sexy structure on gold here. Like I think this will be, if you go with this top here, then it should be like 3.3 hour good setup. And if you wait for lower time frame structure shift, then your stop should be like here below that recent sweep. So it will be 8 9 hour setup. So don't miss out on this setup. This is it on gold and no, okay, yes, on Bitcoin and gold and all shit. Bitcoin lower time frame. One thing which I was watching on Bitcoin on, let me give you another, because it's in daily demand. The first thing which we saw on our today's structure is I am giving you, trying to give you a long here. So I'm just looking at that shit. This is a daily demand here. Now in this daily demand, I will not trade because I took three stops in one day. One day, three stops, man. I got some 8 9 hour up. I was up, then I got three stops. So I am not taking this one. But here is a good IFEG found here, inverse FEG. So internal liquidity is here. Got it? We can, adjust your entries according to your charts. This is Binance chart and it's a perpetual chart as well. So it's a Binance chart, Binance entry, and what the fuck? Binance exit. This is a 4 hour setup here. You can take, yes, you can take this setup here, lower time frame gamblers. This is what I see right now. The stop loss I'm placing a bit wide for some thing like, okay, for giving a breathe a room to my trade. Otherwise, the stop should have been here, in below here. But I'm giving a little breathe to my setup here. So I will pull this up like this. So might be I take this setup. Might be, might not be. I don't know myself, man. Lower time frame. This is Bybit chart, so I will look for Bybit entry. What is the Bybit entry? Same, 110. It is exactly 103, but I will go with 110. 105 is good. Let me take it. If a opportunity is given in higher time frame demand, then why not? Why not to follow these fingers? Tap here, tap reject, and bang, boom, bang. If this BOS lower time frames given, then we will add another one. Okay, how much? 0.75% good stop loss, and this is 4.1 hour. Why I miss? Let me bid. Let me bid. But I have to one thing. Give me a minute. So I log into my accounts. I yesterday, I don't know which account is logged in. Hmm, Oh, they got in. Oh, my account is bad down and shit. What is the entry? 108, 108, 105, 105. And my position will be like divided by 0.75%. Ooh, this is more than I have. 533497. Allah Akbar. 3 4. Okay, done. I placed my bets. We will see. Okay, this is a live setup. I will trade. This is a 4 hour trade. 4 hour trade, but too many things will be there. It might reject. It might. Okay, Monday low is also here. So let's see. Let's see. I placed it. So now the problem here is let's go on higher time frame once again. Whether the September will be a rectangle or not. So what do you guys think of September to be a rectangle? Rectangle because the whole city is saying September will be red, September will be red, September will be red. Historically, September will always remain red. What do you guys think of? I my personal opinion is this one. I will be here. 102 is my level. If it is holding, we are going up. Yes, we are creating a weekly resistance up here, this one. But don't forget higher time frame structure. This is higher high, higher low, higher high. It should create higher low and then it go towards higher high. Simple is that. If we are holding up here, we are pretty much going higher. So don't fuck your longs or positions here. If you see this, total 3. Let me show you something on total 3. Guys, don't mess it up. Don't be in total 3 yards. A big cup and big handle is forming. One tap, two tap, three tap, four tap. Now you see first tap rejection, second tap rejection, third tap rejection, four tap. It is accepting up here. Breakout will lead us above the moon. The target of breakout will be 2.1, 2.2 trillion. Right now it is at 1 trillion. That is 2x on total 3 market on market cap. If we double the market cap of the altcoins, just know like Ethereum is at 4,000, that will be sitting at 8,000. Just wait for this breakout, man. So overall, I am bullish, and on the record, I am saying this: I am bullish for the month of September. I am not bearish at all. So I will yes wait and to see how these levels react, and according to this, I will take my position and I will do whatever it has to be done on my side. So yes, I will remove this shit. Other than that, all things are clear, pretty much clear. A long and higher time frame demand, lower time frame structure, a forming inverse FEG is given here, lower time frame BUS is here, internal liquidity is here. Everything is on chart. We will trust chart. Risk is managed, limits placed, stops below here, and yes, we will see because monthly closure today, so we might see Fukre here, a quick Fukre up here and then down. So yes, see you on the next weekend. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.